Feeling cranky? Huh. What happened?
Bad dream. Anyway, what is this?
Remember the robot Owly caught?
I thought she threw it.
In a way, she did.
What?
Yeah, she released its copy back.
The robots won't find out?
They'll, but not immediately.
And by then, the copy will be far away from here.
And the hideout will be safe.
Great. So what are you doing with it? Are they functions?
Yeah, but what made you think so?
The names have parentheses beside them, just like the print function.
Impressive, Theo. So, any idea what this line does?
Displays the robot's ID?
I didn't mean literally.
How does this happen? Need a hint?
Zoe wants to help. Weird.
What are you saying? I'm always helpful.
Never mind. Just give me the hint.
Remember why print is a built-in function?
That's because creators of Mr. Python wrote its program while making him.
Right. And using the name print, we execute the program.
Then, this line must execute the program of the function display robot ID.
Bullseye. To run a function's program.
We write its name and parentheses.
Yup, that's how we call a function.
Call a function, huh? Makes sense.